Hey guys, it's me again. So if you wonder why the spot is as same as last video, it's because I filmed this at the same day because I didn't have time and I ordered the albums with the summer package and they arrived at the same time. Yeah, and they came late, so I'm so late from the release. I wanted to upload this after the release, like from 1 week or like 3 days. But I'm sorry, I had shipping problem. Yeah. So yeah. So I saw some of the unboxing, so I knew how the album will look. And this is the first version. It's the S version. And yeah, as you can see, the packaging is holographic and it's so beautiful. Oh my god, they had two CDs. I don't know what's on the CDs, so yeah, as you can see, pictures are incredibly amazing and beautiful. Oh my gosh, where's Jimin? Oh my gosh, Jimin, yes, yes. So at the end of the book, they have the track list and each song with its lyrics. Yeah. So I found the cute stickers. They're so cute, but I won't use them because I don't know where to put them. And here's the membership survey. I will do another video um, doing the membership survey. And I got Jungkook's photo card. He's my not my bias. My bias, he's like my second bias. Yeah, but my ultimate bias is Jimin. And now here's the E version. So let's take a look. To be honest, the E version is my favorite version. Look at Jimin, like they look like fairies. They look like angels. Oh my god. So I forgot to mention that they came each version came with a poster, but I forgot to post it. And yeah. So the difference between the versions are the pictures and I think the photo cards only. There's no other difference. And here I got, oh my god, I got Jimin's photo card. I'm so lucky. I wished, I prayed to get Jimin's photo card. And here's the membership survey, the notes, and I don't know what is this. And the stickers, oh my god. Now I have 4 packs. I'm so happy. So this is the L version. It's more like a schoolboy theme. I don't know how to describe it, but this is my second favorite version. Oh my god, Jimin, he looks like a baby. I'm soft. He looks so cute. I can't. So I found the photo card of this version. I got Rap Monster. I like that picture. I'm okay with it. I love them. I love all the members. So yeah, I'm happy with either photo card. And here we got the F version. I call this the playground version because they look like they are in a playground. Yeah. To be honest, this is my least favorite version. I don't know why. But guys, I got Jimin's photo card, and this is the cutest photo card ever. The cutest picture of Jimin. I had before I got this album, I had the photo on my screensaver from a week ago. Till now, I will show you. I love this picture. This is my favorite picture of Jimin. As you can see, I was so happy. I am so happy. And I got the special photo card, thank God, because I was looking for it. I was hoping to find it in this version. And here's the membership survey. As you can see, I had this photo on my screensaver. And here's all the photo cards I got from the albums. Oh my god, I'm so lucky, Allah. I'm so grateful. And yeah, I'm not trying to brag on any way. I got this album from my own money, and I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on Insta. Bye.